Horror Nights 2018. There are 10 haunted houses inside waiting for us. Let's see which one's the scariest.
This year there's a total of 10 houses in Orlando, and today we're going to cover our top 5. In no particular order: the House of Blumhouse, Poltergeist, Halloween 4, The Return of Michael Myers, Trick or Treat, and of course, Stranger Things. Halloween can only mean one thing, and that's Michael Myers. For the Halloween 4 Return of Michael Myers house, we relived the film that took place 10 years after the original. Walk the house with Dr. Loomis as he tries to stop Michael Myers from killing everyone. Good luck trying to survive. Next, we visit the Poltergeist house. Live the best moments of the classic 1982 movie where a ghost enters a family's home and abducts their daughter. With horrifying moments like the clown scene, this house is one of the best and will surely be remembered for years to come. This year, the House of Blumhouse includes 2 different films, Happy Death Day and The First Purge. First, we relive the life of Tree Goldman, a college student who was murdered, brought back to life, and murdered over and over again. Next, we go back in time to where the purge all started, the First Purge. Things get political when for 12 hours on Staten Island all crime is legal, including murder. Happy purging. Halloween is the one night a year where spirits roam free. During Halloween, there's a couple things you need to remember. The rules. Hand out candy. Always wear a costume. Never blow out a jack-o'-lantern before midnight. Respect the dead. And always check your candy. If you don't, the spirit of Sam will get you in the Trick or Treat house. Finally, the house we've all been waiting for, the Stranger Things house. This house follows season 1, where Mike, Dustin, Lucas, and Eleven need to go through the Upside Down to save Will. But they're not the only cast members we'll see along the way. Jonathan, Nancy, Joyce, and Hopper will help you through this adventure while the Demigorgon hunts you and the children down. If those 5 houses don't do it for you, you're crazy. But there are 5 other haunted houses and 5 scare zones.
Hey, who's this one on the end? Janessa. How the hell do you spell that?
That you can experience at Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida, from now until November 3rd.